Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. I think you guys are going to really love not only this builder, but this community. You're going to want to know more about it. This community is a new community here in Cypress, Texas. It's called Marvita. This community is going to have over 15 different builders. Now, the builder we're going to view today is going to be Ashton Wood, and the home is called the Katy. This is a 2-story home, a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. Now, if you wanted to switch up things in this home, this builder allows you to do that. So if you want it to be a 5-bedroom home or a 3.5 bathroom home, you do have that option. Now, the square footage is going to be a little under 3,000 square feet, but the starting price of this home is going to be at the $500,000 mark. Now, I did mention this community. This community is going to have not only parks and walking trails and pools like any other community, but they're going to have a lazy pool and other amenities that's going to make you really consider this community. We're going to take a quick tour of this home behind me, but before we do that, I need to introduce myself just in case you don't know who I am. My name is Linda Blue, your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. And if you have not done so already, make sure you do me a favor and hit that like, that subscribe, and that bell to be notified of new weekly videos. All right, let's go ahead and take a tour of this beauty behind me. Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying with me and viewing this beautiful home built by Ashton Wood here in Cypress, Texas, in the community of Marvita. Now, remember, there's going to be plenty of builders. So if you have a question about any builder regarding this builder or even this model, make sure you leave a comment below and I will definitely get back with you. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of weekly videos. You all have a wonderful and blessed day.